How to delete Shopify store. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your Shopify store, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What you will need to do first is to log into your Shopify account. So if you want to delete your Shopify store, then firstly make sure that you're 100% sure that you want to delete the store. And also if you have, for example, bought a domain through Shopify, then don't forget to transfer the domain to some other store if you don't want to lose the domain. So when you have logged into your Shopify account, then you will need to click where it says settings. When you have come to this page, then you will need to click where it says plan. In here, you will be able to see your current Shopify plan. I only have a trial version as you can see, but if you're paying for Shopify, then you should be able to see your plan in here. So what you need to do now is to click where it says deactivate trial, or if you're paying for Shopify, then it would probably say something like deactivate store. So after that, you will come here and then you will need to click right here. So this is exactly how to delete your Shopify store. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.